Hi guys, welcome back. This is just a short update because I'm super excited. Look at this. This is all my carbon parts ready to go in the car. Now for yous that are kind of new to the channel, I've been building this kit for 7 years, 8 years. It's been a long time. So I started by, I've made moulds for all the parts, and then I've made them out of carbon fibre. And some of them are great, some of them are not perfect. Doesn't matter, they're made for me and I'm happy with them. They take so much time to make that, yeah, I'm not really keen on starting to make them again. So yeah, custom wide front arches, custom wide rear arches, diffuser. There's loads of fins up in one of these bags, little fins and stuff for the diffuser as well. Carbon doors, I bought the carbon doors and I bought the carbon hood and boot lid. I've made the roof, made the bumpers, obviously the arches, I've made the side skirts here and the quarter panel glass, front bumper, and the rear bumper. So it's not perfect, there is some distortions in the weave and some of the clear coat's not perfect. I made little covers there for the A-pillar kind of window trims. So yeah, seats are ready to go. I've had them for years, some sparkle seats. We've got Volk magnesium centre lock wheels, massive spoiler. And it's all to go on this. So we're just waiting on the tuner doing the timing on the engine, and hopefully that'll run perfect. Once it's running perfect, we can get this off the ramp and start putting things on it, and it shouldn't take too long. The only thing I've still to make for the car once it's all together is a front splitter. So obviously this is like a Nismo, what do you call it? It's like a Nismo V2 370Z bumper that's been extended out to the side, about 60mm each side. It's also got a diffuser moulded into it, not a diffuser, sorry, a little lip spoiler. But I'm also going to run a splitter that will go right under the car, and it'll maybe come out an extra inch or two. So once that's on, I'll trim the bottom of these to kind of get it all fitted onto it. But yeah, it's great to see everything just sitting here, although it's taking up so much space. So I'm just wondering if there's any other things to tell you. So I think I've got everything for the car, bar making the splitter. I'm going to get the headlights redone. I've got a kind of graphic package I want to put over the car, so these need to change colour, probably to a kind of pinky colour. And same with the interior dash there, the red and gold, so that'll change to kind of pinky colour as well, probably, just to give it a little bit of a different look. If I had more time, I'd maybe do the brakes, but maybe that's further down the line. I'll get them changed to a different colour, but they're brand new, so I don't really want to start messing with them. Like centre locks, lovely. So yeah, headlights, dash. I think I need still to get seat rails for the seats. What else? There was something else. Seat rails, and the windscreen. So we're on the final stretch anyway. I think that was it. Yeah, so that's probably about it. So we shouldn't be too much longer before we get all this on. I am so excited. So yeah, hopefully we'll see a show this year with it. I didn't get to see it in the flesh. We're working on the graphics package for it all just now. So it's just not a big black car. It's going to be something pretty sweet. And I can't wait to hear that engine running perfect, because just now it's a little bit lumpy and stuff. But yeah, it's oh, it's so good. Such a long time coming. Right guys, hope you enjoyed the update. Take it easy and we'll see you soon.